Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a Kinder beauty box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Kinder reached out again. I did their box a couple of months ago and they reached out again and asked if they could sponsor a video. I of course said yes because I enjoyed the box last time so much. I love that they choose products that are cruelty-free and vegan and clean, so you know you can use them on your face and feel good about it. This is the September box and it was sent to me for review, and I will put a link and a code below, and with my code Catherine50 you will get 50% off your first box. So that is a great code and I want to thank them for doing that for us. When we open it up, this is what we have inside, our paperwork, and let's let you see some. And that's what we have. The back says Kinder Beauty Box. A kinder world is a more beautiful world. It is $26 per month. Of course, if you choose longer subscriptions, the price does come down. If you go out to 6 months, it brings it down to $23 and you will get a free box with it. I think it said it was valued at $125, and you can also go out to 12 months and save even more. And like I said in the beginning, they are cruelty-free and vegan and clean, so you can feel good about using it on your skin. And we use so much stuff that I, whenever I can, have been trying to make those small changes into more clean beauty, because I just can't imagine the volume of skincare and makeup that I put on my face. So I figure even incremental changes have to be good changes for me. So our paperwork says Kinder Beauty Box, and it's the Purify box. And like I said, this is the September box, and that is the front, and the back, I suspect, I don't have my glasses on yet, will tell us a little bit about everything that's in here. So I guess we will glass up. And also they have a marketplace that has really great deals in that's worth checking out. First out of the box, we have an OC Essential Hydrating Oil. And that is what that looks like. This is 1 fluid ounce. Let's take it out of here and find out, is it a cleansing oil? Is it an oil that we're just gonna apply for hydration? Don't you love the glass bottles of the OC? They always look so pretty. And is it OC or OSE? I think it is OC, but this says on the back, I'm cheating, it says Anti-Aging Miracle, Normal, Dry, and Anti-Aging. A nourishing blend of 8 essential oils visibly pumps the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Jojoba and macadamia oils deliver all-day moisture for a glowing complexion. And it is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and made in the USA. Let's see if the paperwork adds anything to that. It is a cult favorite, age-defying facial oil with jojoba and macadamia oils, and it has a $68 value. Well, let's put a little bit on the back of my hand and see how it moisturizes the back of my hand. Uh-oh, I have my Fitbit on. You guys can see that I've come up here first thing in the morning. I have almost no steps. Ignore that. Oh, it smells good. It smells like all of the OC products do. Kind of that spa-like scent that is herbally. That smells so good. Yeah, I like that. And you can see that it's just an oil. I have put way too much on for the back of my hands. Although I will tell you, I had the grandkids last week. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. You can hear them. I did my XO marshmallow if you guys want to go over and check that out. I didn't show them. Her mother and I are both against showing them in the videos, but I let them snack on the marshmallows and do a taste test with it. It was so much fun. But anyway, while I had them, just for all the little things that I do for them, and I felt like I was always making something, breakfast or lunch, or I did a lot more hand washing than I usually do just when it's just the two of us. And my hands are so dry, and all to say, this on the back of this one hand, it feels so good. I should stop and put some on that hand, but we'll move on for now. I'll do it later. That feels so good. It smells so clean. I would love that scent. They probably make one. I'm saying it, but I would love that scent in a body lotion. It's just so clean. Okay, next out we have a Well People Plant Powder Foliant Renewing Charcoal Exfoliating Powder. I love exfoliating powders because depending on how much water you add to it, depends on how exfoliating it is. If you add just very little water and leave it real grainy and thick, I'm not even sure that's how you use this one, it tends to exfoliate more. If you add more water, it smooths easier, so it exfoliates less. I like that control. You guys know I have super sensitive skin. That is what it looks like when we get it out of here. And it is 0.56 ounces. The paperwork says Well People Travel Plant Powder Foliant. It has a $10 value, and it says meet the softer side of exfoliation. I personally like that. This gentle powder transforms into a comforting, creamy lather with just a few drops of water. Then it gets to polishing and renewing your skin. Featuring green tea, charcoal, kale, and clay to buff away impurities, this hydrating exfoliator will leave a brighter, smoother complexion. It's just got kind of a pore spout up top. Put a little bit on that. Oh, it comes out very, very easily. Can you guys see? I hope it showed it pouring. That is really cool. But it's just a light, you can absolutely feel the grit in it. I mean, it's not like talc. It's got some true grit to it. But I like the control of how gritty it is and how hard I push, how much water I add. Of course, I can't really smell it on the back of the hand with the OC, but it doesn't seem to smell. It's not taking over the smell of the OC, so I would say it has little to no scent. I just took a second to look at the back and it doesn't look like there's anything. Uh-oh, what is that root? No, ginger. It's fine. It's fine. It's ginger root. It's not licorice. Looks like I can totally use that. I think this is fantastic. We are planning a trip to Disney, so this would be great to travel with because, you know, if you've done the Disney parks, you come home in the evening and you want to exfoliate everything. So much sun and suntan lotion and everything else. That will be perfect to travel with. Even just using it, I just wiped it off, and even just using it dry on the back of my hand, wow, it really helped. I was just talking about that dry skin. It already feels better. Okay, next out, I have something little. What is this? Volition Apple Cider Vinegar Resurfacing Peel Pads. I have really sensitive skin, so whenever anything says resurfacing or peel, I immediately think it is powered by ACV, apple cider vinegar, and AHAs, and it is one pad. That is what it looks like. And the paperwork says ACV Resurfacing Peeling Pad. It has a $4 value. This exfoliating peeling pad features rockstar ingredient apple cider vinegar to hydrate, plump, and reduce excess oil, visibly enhancing your skin's natural complexion. So if you can use a peel, this is a great way to try it. Also, something really good to travel with. It uses witch hazel and apple. There's coconut water in it, lemon, orange fruit. Actually, it doesn't seem too terribly aggressive. So if you wanted to try one, this might be it. Although in the ingredients, it does say tingling sensation is normal. Next out, we have PM Pimple Patch Pack. Soothing Clear Circle Hydrocolloid Acne Patches. 3 sheets, 2 sizes, 108 total packages. Wow, that will keep you in patches for a while. It is Moonlit Skincare and it has a $29 value. Say goodbye to blemishes while you sleep with these pimple patches that draw out impurities, reduce inflammation, and speed up the healing process. Effective on all skin types, but especially oily, hormonal, and acne-prone skin. Let's open it up and see if we can see them. No, they're in a, oh no, you can. They are absolutely clear. Wow, I don't know if there's any chance. Let's do that. Can you see the little circle? Yeah, I think you can. So there are 2 different sizes, and you have 3 of these sheets. So that is a lot of patches. I will tuck these aside. Periodically, it seems like always. I won't say 100%. I'll say 99% of the time, if I get a pimple, it's going to be right here or right here. Just right in those marionette lines. I guess maybe I get a clogged pore in there periodically. I get them, well, you guys can see, I get them, what, maybe once every 6 months, maybe a year. But I tell you what, when I get them, I will be happy to have these. And last out of our Kinder box, we have a Franklin and Whitman Sea Salt Hair Mist. Texturizing spray, windblown and beachy styles. And it says East Falls. Well, let's read about that. Lemongrass, bergamot, clary sage. That is what it looks like. So it's kind of got a pinky, cloudy, for lack of a better word, look to it. And the paperwork says create effortless, gorgeous, texturized hair with this nourishing formula featuring pink Himalayan salts, lemongrass, bergamot, and clary sage to add volume and texture, plus aloe vera and sea kelp for moisturization. It has a $19.95 value. It says shake well to activate the salts. Spritz anytime and twist strands to enhance texture, air dry or diffuse. Okay, well, I'm not going to put this on my hair because I have a couple more videos to do, and this could go seriously a month, but let's see what it smells like. Okay, once you get it going, it is a super fine mist. It doesn't have, how can it have all of those things and not too much scent? It's just a very light, you can maybe smell a little bit of lemongrass and bergamot. I don't smell, I was a little afraid of the clary sage because clary sage has a very, if you do essential oils, it has a very, very earthy scent. And I was a little afraid of that, but not at all. This is very nice. This will be fun to try. If I don't like it, I've always said I have a granddaughter with curly hair, but another of my granddaughters has started developing curly hair too. So now I have 2 grandgirls with curly hair. So if this doesn't work for me, I will pass it along to them. All right, so that is what we got in our September Kinder Beauty box. Let's see if I can do this. We got the Franklin and Whitman Sea Salt Hair Mask, the OC Essential Hydrating Oil. It's essential. The Well People Plant Powder Foliant, so an exfoliator that is a powder, my favorite. We got the Volition Apple Cider Vinegar Peeling Pad to try, and the Moonlit Skincare Pimple Patches. So that was the September box from Kinder Beauty. I want to thank them for sending it over for us to see. And if this is a box you think you would be interested in, I will put the link and my code, Catherine50, below. It will get you 50% off your first box. So I am really happy with this. I will try all of it except I will pass along the peel pad. You guys know with my super sensitive skin, I probably can't do that peel pad. But other than that, I'll be giving it all a try. So that's always fun, especially when it's clean, cruelty-free, vegan skincare. So much better for our faces. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't know the answer, I will reach out to Kinder and find it out for you. And have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.